Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what are the silver holes on AirPods Pro 2. So the holes that I'm talking about are right over here. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to explain this is that these silver holes are actually just one of the neat features that Apple has included with your AirPods Pro 2. So it's used to make sure that you don't lose your AirPods Pro. So the way that I use it is that I actually use it for a wrist strap that looks like this. And so it has a really thin thread that you can actually weave in through here. So if you push this thin thread, you'll see how it comes out, and then you loop it in through the wrist strap like this here. So if you loop it in just like that, you'll now have a wrist strap that is attached to your AirPods Pro 2 case. So this is what it ultimately looks like, in which it looks like that. But now with this wrist strap, you can put it around your wrist, you could attach it to your keys, you could attach it to your backpack, but this just makes it really convenient so that you don't lose your AirPods Pro 2. So I'll leave a link to this down below in the description, but that is essentially what the purpose is of these side holes on your AirPods Pro 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.